Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change your username on TikTok. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Edit Profile. Here, tap on Name to update your display name. Remember, your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. After editing your name, go back and tap on Username. Now, enter your new username. Make sure the username you choose is unique and follows TikTok's guidelines. Once you've entered your new username, tap on Save in the top right corner. Finally, tap on Confirm to apply the changes. Your TikTok username is now updated. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.